It's a beautiful day and we are now out at the bird reserve trying to photograph some birds here. But that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now we got the sun nicely placed here. And we can start looking at the birds. Amazing. This place is just amazing. All these beautiful cormorants and whatnot. So this place is at the edge of a bird reserve. The bird reserve goes all the way around here. And in my last video, I was also very close to here, at the other side of the water here. And in the video before that, I was all the way on the other side there. Let's see if we can get any photos with all the fog as the background now. Oh, but also look at those beautiful velvet scooters. Beautiful. I think it's sharp enough. But is that the baby as well? I don't think so. What I was really hoping to see here today is the osprey or the white-tailed eagle. What I would love, there's like this rock here. If a bird sat on that, we would get the fog in the background. That would be an amazing composition. If I can get down low and get the photo there, if there comes a bird there, that would be perfect. So the best thing for me to do now, if there were birds close, I would like to get low and get on their eye level, because then you get a better background. You don't get like all this water in the background, you get distance. You create like a subject that popping out. That's my main goal for now. I know this trick, but I just tend to forget it. So I will be trying to do that more now, if I can. That's it, if I actually can get down low. Oh, it's the oyster catcher, okay. Okay, that's not gonna make it. So, if there is an osprey, forget about the grab. That's so cool. It just came out of nowhere. flying away. I am sorry if my microphone is a bit bad. It's because of the DJI microphone. I am closing in on the grebes now, trying to get like behind the tall grass here to see if I can't get any good photos of them. It's kind of hard to get on eye level with them, but I think I should be able to manage something decent here. There they are, over there. Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Okay, that's pretty nice. I'm kinda sad that the buzzard went the other way earlier.